Tool Talk, all about internet marketing tools. Who doesn't want inexpensive internet marketing tools? In this day and age when advertising your business online is the way to go, it's a must that you avail of internet marketing tools at the lowest cost possible. How can you avail of them? How can you make the most out of these low-cost internet marketing tools? These low-cost internet marketing tools aim to better your website and promote them thoroughly. Read on to know more about them. 1. Software. There is software specializing in internet marketing. These programs are affordable internet marketing tools. They attract traffic, communicate your site to anyone online, harness and trim down your keywords, track your site visitors, and create links to other sites. Of course, the phrase, low cost, emphasizes that you must not spend exorbitantly. Watch out for internet marketing tools that do nothing but suck your budget. 2. Website packages. Take note of low-cost internet marketing tools that do the following: hosting and designing your site, getting your domain, offering technical help, configure and upload your files, campaigning for your traffic. These are available in website packages that you can avail of anytime. Choose a package caters to your site's needs. 3. Mailing lists. Notice that when you visit the bulk mail folder of your email, you read nothing but website promotions. That's email marketing. It boosts your business like no other. Don't worry about spamming. There's such a thing as safe lists that make your mails spam-free. This is so easy to obtain. Look for mailing lists for sale and let the fun of emailing begin. 4. Data submitters. This is a money-saving internet marketing tool that works like magic. Have a data submitter of your own and amass tremendously huge hits. 5. Ebooks. Integrate an ebook in your site for people to download. At such a cheap price, you keep people clamoring for more and visiting your site in the process. That's one affordable internet marketing tool for you. 6. SEO tools. Internet marketing is not complete without the standard SEO tools. Search engines remain as the major powerhouse in marketing, so never leave this part out. Generate traffic through this effective low-cost internet marketing tool. Here's a reminder: when you see the low-cost internet marketing tool banners online, never get persuaded easily. Study the package deals, analyze the contents and benefits before deciding if you want one.
Content produced and distributed by All Superinfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.